Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode with this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. So basically what this is a video ring light kit that's used to record stuff. So you use this product itself to record stuff while getting a really good lighting, which is pretty cool. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So first thing you see right here is a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to set it up. And then right underneath that, you can see everything else. So let's take everything out. So first thing you see right here, they probably got this aside right here. Not sure what this is for. I'm assuming this can be used as a clamp or something. Right here you can see the actual ring light itself is pretty small. And you can plug this into a USB output. So you can definitely plug this onto a wall outlet or you can plug it into your power bank. We'll take a look at that in a second. I want to show you guys what else is in here first. So right underneath that, they do provide guys a phone mount clamp that is used to attach it onto the actual stick itself, which I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. Right here is the stick itself. So you guys want to actually extend this part right here if you guys want to use it, which I'll show you guys how to use that as well in a second. And last but not least is the actual stand itself. So this is basically what it looks like. So you want to screw the pole onto here or the stick that I showed you guys earlier. And then once you guys set that part up, then you just actually stick the ring light on top. But you can definitely hear from the material itself is pretty high quality. And on the bottom, they do have the non-slip material as well to prevent it from moving around. And that's basically everything that's included in the packaging itself. Now let's open up everything and show you guys how to assemble it. So obviously this is the bottom part. What you guys want to do next is to insert the actual pole itself right here. So take it out. Alright, so we guys take it out. This is basically what it looks like. So the top part right here, you guys actually pull it out like this. You can see. So that's the furthest you can go. So once you guys pull it out that far and you guys want to lock it in, you guys want to turn this part right here to lock it. Alright, so once you guys lock it, you can see it's pretty secure. And then for the bottom part right here, you guys want to stick it into here and screw it on. Alright, so once you guys have it set up, it should look something like that. So once you guys finish this part, what you guys want to do is to insert the ring light itself. So I'm actually take that out. Alright, so right here is the ring light. So you guys want to screw this on the bottom right here. So once you guys have it fully set up, it should look something like this. And the cool thing about this ring light is the fact that you guys actually adjust this part right here, 360. But you guys want to be careful with the cable right here. You can definitely see that it can go 360 like that if you guys want to. And if you guys want to loosen up this part right here to turn it left and right, you definitely can as well. If you guys do want to use the clamp, you can definitely use it as well. But if you guys don't want to, you don't have to. But for this test, I'm going to open this up to show you guys how to use it. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. So you basically just want to screw this part right here to tighten it up like this. Or you can use the bottom part right here to tighten it up as well by turning it like this. Alright. So once you guys have that part set up right here, then you guys actually use the clamp to clamp it onto the actual stick itself on the ring light. So let me show you guys how to use it. So you guys want to loosen up this part right here and loosen up this part here as well. So that way you can actually open up and clamp it in like that. So right here we have the pole. Let me show you guys how to put it on. So I just want to put it in here like this and then close the clamp and push this right here and lock it in. Alright, so once you guys got that part locked in, what you guys want to do is turn this part right here to lock it in. Push it as far as you guys can, so that way you can actually hold it securely right there. And you can also adjust this part right here to how you guys want to. If you guys want this position, or you can do it this position. But basically once you guys have it set up, this is what it looks like for the actual whole stand itself. So the ring light on top, and then right here for your phone. So I'm going to turn it back this way right here. And then just clamp the phone on here to show you guys how it works. Alright, so I just put my phone in here like this. Clamp it in. Alright. So once you guys have it in, you guys see that that is basically what it looks like. And on the back part of the actual mount itself right here, it is rotatable as well. So you can move it around if you guys need to. Turn left, right, up, down, or however you guys want to. Now let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to use the ring light. Alright, so we got the cable plugged in. And the way how you guys adjust it is by using this switch right here. So we turn it on. You guys see how bright the light is right there. You guys also increase it or lower it. So I lower the brightness. That is the lowest. If I increase it, that is the highest. You can also change the different modes on here as well. So if I click on this button right here, you change the different mode. Click again, change it again. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So that is basically how you use everything that's on the product itself. Definitely really cool design, how you guys actually rotate the actual screen itself right here for the ring light. You guys also rotate this as well, and it's pretty compact, which is pretty cool. So everything about this product itself is pretty well made. It's not like super big or anything. It's pretty compact, and you can actually bring this on the go if you guys want to. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's go over some of the specs that's on here first. So what you guys just saw just now in terms of how to actually set up the ring light and the phone itself, you guys are not limited to just using it that way. There is other ways to use it as well. If you guys are curious about what I mean, you can refer to this image right here. So you can definitely use the product itself to install other stuff as well. You can see that from that image right there, such as other ring lights, other cameras, or etc. Obviously for these kind kind of ring lights or any kind of ring light, you guys can actually use it in many different ways, such as podcasts, YouTube videos, blogging, or etc. And then for this ring light in particular, they mentioned that it's actually really useful for you guys to do like Zoom meeting calls or video conference calls to actually give you guys that really good lighting. And that way you don't see a lot of shadows in the back, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did the unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like what I mentioned earlier, if you guys are trying to look for a portable ring light that's not too big but can definitely do everything that you want for like videography, for food photography or whatever, then this is definitely pretty worth it. And you see how strong the light is and how compact it is. It's literally not that big compared to your typical tripod ring lights. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.